Welcome to Michoacán, the most beautiful city in Mexico. Michoacán isn't just a destination, it's a world of contrast and beauty waiting to be explored. Landscape that amaze. From the only volcano born in modern history, Paricutin, to crystal clear lakes like Camecuaro, lush pine forest, and warm Pacific beaches, Michoacán has it all. Things to do. Take a boat ride to Janitzio Island, hike volcanic trails, marvel at the monarch butterfly migration, taste traditional carnitas, or shop for hand-carved copper and guitars. Whether you seek adventure, culture, or peace, Michoacán delivers. Michoacán enjoys a mild climate most of the year. Expect warm days and cool nights in the highlands, and tropical weather along the coast. Rainy season runs from June to September, bringing brilliant greens and fresh air. Best time to visit. Want the perfect mix of culture and nature? Come between October and March. You will catch the Day of the Dead, monarch butterflies, and cool, sunny weather, ideal for exploring. Traveling to Michoacán is affordable. Hostels start around $15 per night. Mid-range hotel range from $40 to $70. Delicious street food, just $50 for a full authentic meal. A local tip. Take to the locals. They will lead to hidden lakes, family-run restaurants, and artisan workshop not found on any map. That is all. Whatever kind of traveler you are, Michoacán gives you more than memories. It gives you meaning. Michoacán. Explore beyond the map.